Did you know that Wyoming is considered one of the best states to form an LLC due to its business-friendly environment? This includes no state income tax, low filing and annual fees, and strong privacy protections for business owners. The state also offers robust asset protection laws, does not require annual reports, and allows for flexible management structures. Especially for non-residents. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about starting an LLC in Wyoming, but aren't quite sure where to begin. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to form your LLC in 3 minutes or less. From choosing the perfect business name to filing the right paperwork, I've got you covered. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the best registered agent service Wyoming that can help you set up your LLC for free. Starting an LLC in Wyoming is straightforward and very affordable. And like other states, it has several specific LLC requirements. There are 3 main ways you can start an LLC in Wyoming. 1. DIY, do it yourself. This is done by using the Wyoming Secretary of State's website to handle the paperwork yourself. This is the most affordable method if you're comfortable navigating forms and processes. 2. Professional service. This is the best option for a smoother process and extra support. You might consider hiring a professional service. These companies handle all the paperwork and often provide additional valuable services. 3. Hiring an attorney. This is typically the most expensive option and often unnecessary for simple LLC formations. Attorneys are useful for complex legal issues, but not usually needed for basic LLC setups. For this video, I'll focus on the DIY approach and using a professional service. Steps required for starting a Wyoming LLC on your own. Step 1. Name your business. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. In Wyoming, your LLC's name must be unique and not already in use by another business. Not only should the name you choose be thoughtful and easy to remember, but it should also conform with the naming guidelines under Wyoming LLC laws, which are: your name must include the phrase Limited Liability Company, or its abbreviations LLC, L.L.C, Limited Company, LC, L.C, Ltd. Liability Company, Ltd. Liability Co. or Limited Liability Co. It must be distinct from any other business entity's name in Wyoming. Your name can't have words that may confuse your LLC with a government entity, for example, FBI or NSA. To check name availability, visit the Wyoming Secretary of State's business entity search. Enter your desired name to see if it's available. A unique business name will say no matches found. If you aren't quite ready to file the documents for your Wyoming LLC, but you really want to keep others from using the name you've picked out, you can pay $60 to reserve your name for 120 days. Step 2. Appoint a Wyoming registered agent. Your business has a name, and now it needs a physical presence in Wyoming, at least a physical address where correspondents can reach you. Every Wyoming LLC must have a registered agent with a physical address in the state. The registered agent receives legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. All businesses are required to designate a registered agent, which is a physical address, not a P.O. box, and contact a person or an entity where legal documents can be delivered during business hours. You can act as your own registered agent or appoint a family member or friend. However, I recommend using a professional registered agent service. This ensures you receive important documents promptly and keeps your personal address off public records. Plus, some companies offer a free registered agent service as part of their LLC formation package. One company I recommend is Northwest Registered Agent, which provides a free registered agent for the first year of service. During this free year, you can benefit from a professional agent handling your legal documents, access to a dashboard for managing correspondence, and email notifications with automatic forwarding of any documents received. Step 3. File your Wyoming Articles of Organization. With a name and registered agent in place, the next step is to officially file the Articles of Organization to create your LLC. The articles contain all the information the state needs to verify your Wyoming LLC and to register it in the database. The articles include the name of your LLC, name and address of registered agent, mailing address of the LLC, office address of the LLC, signature of the LLC's organizer, name, phone number, and email of contact for the LLC. Registered agent consent form, name, signature, and address of registered agent. Wyoming uses its new business entity wizard for electronic filing. There's a $100 cost to file your articles with an additional $2 fee for doing so online. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. Although Wyoming doesn't require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended if your LLC has multiple members. This agreement outlines the management structure, profit distribution, and dispute resolution procedures. Some common details included in this agreement are dissolution requirements, voting protocols, member responsibilities, new member initiation, daily operations, company mission statement, annual meeting dates. A well-drafted operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that everyone knows their rights and responsibilities. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Once your LLC is established, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. This number functions as a social security number for your business and helps separate your business's financial matters from your personal accounts. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website for free. There's no cost to obtain an EIN. Step 6. File annual report. Each year on the first day of the month in which you formed your LLC, you must file your annual report and pay the corresponding license tax. For example, if you form your LLC on Dec. 15, 2024, your first annual report is due Dec. 1, 2025. The annual license tax is $60 or 0.0002% of the value of all LLC assets, whichever is greater. If your LLC holds $300,000 or less in assets, your license tax is $60. There is a convenience fee for filing online that varies based on the total tax amount. If your total amount due is greater than $500, you cannot file online. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, a professional LLC formation service might be the way to go. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer comprehensive packages that include filing your forms to acting as your registered agent. Northwest Registered Agent service starts at $39, including a free registered agent and a free operating agreement with their package. Other companies might charge significantly more, so this is a great deal. With exceptional customer service and privacy protection, Northwest Registered Agent makes the LLC formation process smooth and hassle-free. Use the link in the description to take advantage of this limited-time LLC formation discount. Forming an LLC in Wyoming is simple and advantageous. Whether you handle it yourself or use a professional service, these steps will help you set up your LLC efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and guides. And remember to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC formation!